And liftoff. What's going on, guys? Hey, everybody. You're watching the Internet Money Show, and my name is Gray BTC. Let me show my face just so that you guys can see that we're live and this is real. All right, can you hear me clearly? If you can hear me clearly, please let me know by dropping that thumbs up and the flag of which part of the world you're representing in the chat. There will be things that will be won on this live stream. Some people will win some signals. Others will get some money. I'm in a good mood today, so there's a lot of. And if you are watching on Instagram, I can recommend that you come over to YouTube. The channel is Crypto Hustle, so that you can take advantage of what's going on right now. Today, guys, we're talking about Bitcoin hitting $40,000 in 2022. Yes, 2022. A lot of people are asking when I posted this in on Twitter. They're like, what makes you think that, So if you want to know why, come over to YouTube and watch. I'll explain that in this video. Beyond that, we also have other things that I want us to discuss and look deeply into. We have the US dollar and euro parity at the moment. And we got the Bitcoin analysis. And I'm not going to reveal this just yet, but within the video, I will reveal something big that you can take advantage of. And there is also scary news for Ethereum, right? So if you are holding Ethereum, make sure that you watch this video and you take advantage of what you're going to hear in this video. I will look into the comments in a second, but I would appreciate it for everybody who's watching to destroy the like button now. And if you're watching on Instagram or Twitter, again, move over to YouTube right now. That would be a big deal for all of us. All right. So I will give you guys some updates. But first, shout out to our sponsor for today's video, which is an incredible platform. They have been sponsoring us for some time now. So a shout out to Margex for shouting out and supporting Crypto Hustle. These guys are doing an incredible job as an exchange, which you definitely want to check out. And have you been liquidated before? If so, Margex is a unique market exchange which you can use to trade derivatives or spot. It uses artificial intelligence-based systems that protects users from price manipulation and prevents unfair liquidation. If you're losing money because of the crypto market downturn, but did you know that you can profit even during falling markets using Margex trading platform? You can open long and short positions, and you can apply trading strategy you want. So you guys make sure you check it out. There is still a $50 bonus if you sign up using my link in the description and deposit a minimum of 0.004 Bitcoins at the moment, right? There's the incredible things here. It's very easy to use as a platform. Very straightforward, beautiful user interface that a lot of you guys, I know you would enjoy. So go ahead and double check. And I'll also make another video showing you how this platform effectively works. Again, if you sign up with my link in the description, you get that $50 bonus as always. All right. So getting back to business here. What we are supposed to discuss, guys, is the macro environment in the world. The US dollar is now facing parity with the euro. Or let's say actually that the euro is facing parity with the US dollar, which means these currencies are getting closer to a 1-to-1 ratio. The last time this happened, when one euro was equal to $1, was about 20 years ago. And now it's happening again. Why is this happening and why is this a big deal? Okay, this is partly because of the war that's happening in Ukraine and Russia. That's part of it. But also, it's simply happening because of some of the economic environment across the world, and Europe is experiencing low output entirely because of the energy shock as they receive some of their gases and oil from Russia. Some of those pipelines have been affected due to the sanctions and all the wars going on at the moment. So I have a good piece of news for you guys here regarding that. Okay. Yeah, here we go. So the euro and dollar are a penny away from parity for the first time in 20 years. For the first time in 20 years, the exchange rate between euro and US dollar is nearly the same. The two currencies are less than 1 cent away from parity. The euro hovered around $1.007 on Monday morning, down nearly 15% since the start of the year. Fears of recession on the continent abound, stoked by high inflation and energy supply uncertainty caused by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The European Union, which received roughly 40% of its gas through Russian pipelines before the war, is attempting to reduce the independence of Russian oil and gas. At the same time, Russia has throttled back gas supplies to some EU countries and recently cut down the flow of the Nord Stream pipeline to Germany by 60 freaking percent. All right. So this is ugly, and it means that the price of the euro is falling in the market. So I'll show you the chart right now, just so that you can understand what's going on. You remember just a few months ago when the war was getting started, I was analyzing the ruble, the Russian currency. It was falling at massive rates, and now we're looking at this is the euro, and the dollar has gained against the euro because of the euro's situation here. I'm thinking of making a trade out of this, but it seems like we could be in this range for a little while, and the US dollar could continue to outperform the euro because the Fed has been tightening on the supply of money, which is making the US dollar a little bit more stronger, right? They pretty much raised the interest rate by 0.75% or 75 basis points, whereas that's not the case in Europe. And the Fed in the US has said that they are more likely to raise the rates even more. Partly it's what affected the Bitcoin market as well. And as you can see, based on the nitrous bull here, it's clearly showing you that the euro has just broken down a critical point of support here, which has now become resistance level. How does this come in? The more volatility we see in the market and the more confusion and fear, it's actually a very good thing for Bitcoin. So I'm hoping that, okay, out of this news, we can see a little bit more fear from the traditional markets, which would bring in more money from the Bitcoin side of things. All right. Another thing now we can look at is Bitcoin. Why am I saying that BTC could go to $40,000 this year, even though there is a massive crash sort of happening? Now, if you have studied the previous bull market of Bitcoin, you would definitely see that the bull run typically happens towards the end of the year. It kind of starts typically in August, slowly, and it crawls along until December sometime. So now we are in July, just 1 month away from another situation that could bring a bull market. And there is a lot of speculation that with all these other markets falling, it is not really not highly expected at the moment. I was looking at a report from Glassnode. They're saying that, look, the market cannot just keep on falling. It needs to find a place to bounce back, bring some trust and some conviction to the market, and the bear market can continue. So I have a chart here that I can show you guys to make a point using the 20. I'll go to BTC USDT. Where is Coinbase? Okay, using Coinbase. Okay, so I want to go to a weekly. Actually, BTC USD rather. What I'm trying to show you guys is that you will see that even 2017, after the crash, the crash happened, and after that, we even saw another rise for a little bit, which was largely in altcoin, and then the bear market continued, and we saw a consolidation of about 11 months. So just so that I can show you 2017 here. A lot of people like to talk about 17 as sort of a all-time high of Bitcoin, but let's look at what the data actually says. So this is, let's find December 2017. Okay, this was December 2017, and we saw a crash throughout 2018. But at the same time, if I had to do a comparison, for example, for let's say BTC and another coin, I'll go for Bitcoin and BTC. Actually, I can go for XRP. XRP USDT or USD. Coinbase, we what? Here we go. Okay. So here is a Coinbase chart, a weekly, and I'm trying to go back in time to show you guys what happened. Okay, it's not going as deep as 2017. So XRP USD Bitfinex. Okay, this must be a little bit better. Right, so 2017. What does that look like? So here you go. Right. So on Bitcoin, you can see that the top was 2017 somewhere. Okay, and we saw a crash after that, December 2017, and after that, throughout 2019, on BTC specifically, it was all about a fall. Things were just falling. However, for X altcoin in December 2017, all the way through its all-time high was actually in 2018, not 2017 at all. It was in January 2018. We saw XRP at $3.17, and then it started crashing down and consolidated for years until 2020, 2021 came through. And now we are actually at the verge of this for Bitcoin specifically. We have seen the top. We have now seen the decline here. And now we're waiting for another pump that might happen. So before the fall continues, let's say the bottom would be $12,000 or let's say 9K. It's very probable, considering the high, sort of the wider landscape of the economic environment in the world, that we can see a lot more money starting to flee towards Bitcoin, because even gold is now having a tough time right now. And crypto companies are still marketing hard, even though it's a bear market right now. So, a lot of people, why I'm talking about this is that so many people are telling you about, oh, right, it's a bear market right now. If you want to buy, you have to wait. You have to wait for like another bull market, or you have to wait for whenever the market has completely crashed. Some people are saying, oh, I wait for Bitcoin when it gets to 9,000 or 12,000. Look, you could never time the market perfectly. Nobody knows. And that's what makes trading harder. So if you believe that this market is going all the way down to 9,000 or 12K or whatever numbers you guys are talking about, why don't you just short it? Short the market and make money. But you see, because so many people are thinking specifically about shorting, that's when the whales do the exact opposite and they shock everybody. Now, don't say I didn't warn you. If you're watching this video right now, trust me, before the end of the year, there's going to be a massive pump of crypto. It will get people excited again, and then it will crash again and start consolidating from there for some time. But right now, I'm buying personally, especially Bitcoin, because it usually starts before the altcoin starts. Even the stocks. Shortly, there will be a moment where maybe for a month, a bull run goes on for sort of a small bull run goes on for a month or two, and then we saw another decline again. It's very right now, it's not convincing that the market could just keep on going down at this rate that they have been going, right? And also looking at what's going on in Europe and in the US and so many other currencies losing value, you can definitely see that there is for central banks to start trying to control things again and bring excitement to the market. So look out for that. Don't say that I did not tell you. So just so that you know, if you like my signals, the Crypto University signals, we are now giving a 50% discount if you use code WSOT as a discount code. You can get the Natros Boo, and also we have other indicators, which I'm not even going to talk about now. But if you go to our website, you'll find them there. If you want signals that help you to find trends, but also to find momentum, right? We just created new signals at Crypto University. They're launched. You can get them at cryptouniversity.network. These are the things that help you trade and make your trading experience much more easier. A lot of people ask, why do you have this bull and bear on your chart? What is that? That is the nitrous bull indicator that gives me signals for when is a good time to buy and a good time to sell, which you can also find at cryptouniversity.network. All right, quickly before we get to the Ethereum news, there is big news on Ethereum. Might be depressing for some people, but I'm going to tell you guys anyway. But before we get to that, let's bring out our sponsor, another sponsor for today's show, which is bind.com. These guys are doing amazing stuff. Let me show you what these guys are working on. So what you're looking at, guys, is bind.com. All right. And what they're doing, this is an entire ecosystem for bridging crypto and the traditional financial system. So this is the coolest and most unique fintech and payments ecosystem, Bind. Bind's goal is to bring instant payment and crypto acceptance to merchants globally. Bind is a next generation seamless fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat commercial open financial platform with licensed traditional payments infrastructure and instant payment processing worldwide. Bind connects the traditional finance world with DeFi, blockchain technologies, and brings this solution to the global audience. About the ecosystem, it has a few components. There's the Bind Exchange, Bind NFT, Bind mobile app, which you can get on App Store or Play Store. There is also instant card issuance, ICI. If you want a card on your crypto, you can also get it on Bind, which give you earn bonus Bind tokens, 8% cashback, unlimited foreign exchange transaction, concierge club if you have a private card, airport lounge access for VIP and private, and instant card issuance, like I said, and it has a voucher management system. And there is it also has POS machines. So if you are a business that is looking for accepting crypto as a payment method, which I'm an advocate for, you guys already know this, you can also try Bind and see how it works out for you. And it definitely has Bind token. There is the Bind token, which is the backbone of the Bind ecosystem. It will act to encourage participation in the network through financial incentives and financial gain. The token supply distribution is as follows: 200 million tokens of total supply. And it has the following use cases: staking pools, right? Like you can see here, I'm showing you guys the staking pool, earn forever and for every transaction with a Bind staking mechanism, empowering merchants, rewarding users, and encouraging innovation. All right. It also has multiple other use cases that you can find, and I would definitely recommend you guys check them out on Twitter and other social platforms, including the Telegram, which you can find on the website. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see these icons that take you to the social platforms on the website: Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram. And also, if you want to be in the whitelist, which you can find on the website, you can see at the bottom here, it says whitelist. You click on that. It takes you to the whitelist page. If you want to get in the whitelist and show how to join, and you can join and win $25,000 for the private sale. For those who want to buy into the private sale, you can definitely... okay, so someone telling me that I'm breaking up on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Okay. So apologies if I'm breaking up, but the stream continues. So yeah, you guys check out Bind Token, and there's a lot of things to do, including staking, like I said, and it's an incredible platform. Link to Bind is also in the description of this video. Make sure you use my link if you're going to check it out and sign up to get your card and so much more. Now, let's get to Ethereum. What's going on to Ethereum right now? I mean, We all love Ethereum, but it doesn't go without saying that, Ethereum also has some real serious problems. Okay, I'll go to Cointelegraph to look at it from that perspective first, to CoinGecko, I mean. Current price of ETH is $1,150, keeping above $1,000, which is good. ETH 2.0 is around the corner, but there is a larger problem on Ethereum, and this has something to do with Lido. Okay, so if you don't know what's going on, if you are an Ethereum hoarder, let me just tell you what's going on. Yeah, Ethereum. Jake says Ethereum 2.0 is never coming out. Look, Ethereum 2.0 is almost ready, but what is happening now is that Ethereum 2.0 said that, okay, for you you can stake your tokens, your Ethereum, into Ethereum 2.0 by locking a minimum of 32 Ethereum tokens. If you remember, I met Vitalik Buterin and I had a chat about him about ETH 2.0. On this channel, it was one of the first channels that actually knew that the staking for Ethereum is going to be 32 ETH, not 1,500 Ethereum like so many other people were saying, or the original plan. But what is happening is that Lido, which is a staking pool that came with a solution to say you can stake your Ethereum and withdraw it, because on the Ethereum 2.0, it allows you to stake the tokens, or you can stake your ETH tokens, but you cannot withdraw them until ETH 2.0 is launched. So Lido came in. What they did, they provided their own liquidity through a token and take other people's money to say, look, you can stake your ETH with us. We're going to give you another token that you can use to trade in the market live. There will be liquidity, which means you're not locked with your Ethereum in the staking pool. That worked. However, Lido has more than 30% of Ethereum supply that's circulating at the moment. And this, now, for you to pass a vote on the Ethereum ecosystem, I think it's about 32%. And Lido has enough, I think they have like 30% of the voting power for governance. And they need literally about 2% to be enough to now make all the Ethereum decisions, which means Lido on its own can dictate what happens to the Ethereum protocol. So I know I'm a hoarder of Ethereum, but I don't want to overlook this problem. It's a serious one that could make Ethereum less decentralized than what a lot of people think. So there are some efforts being made by Lido itself. They've put out a governance proposal to say that, okay, they're trying to put a mechanism within Lido that stops it from reaching the number where it will now be a controller of Ethereum. I don't know how this is going to play out. It would require people to actually withdraw their funds from Lido, which is highly unlikely at the moment. So we'll see how this plays out, but it's giving me ideas to start shorting Ethereum, because I think before this gets sorted out, we could see Ethereum going down effectively a little bit. All right. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think I'll have to make a specific video about the Lido Ethereum's situation, because it's a big deal. And I think it's being overlooked by so many people out there. All right, guys. So I see so many people here from Nigeria hitting me up. Hey, you guys, I love you so much. I'm still in Nigeria, Lagos, enjoying myself. The local food, the energy of the people here is amazing. And I've been having so much fun. So shout out to everybody who came to the meet and greet yesterday. And shout out to everybody who also came to the event, to all other speakers who came and joined the panel with me, the Moon Carl, Da Vinci, and Alex from AM Crypto, and Kwame as well, who came from Ghana. Shout out to all you guys for joining us and coming over. Like all of us, it was our first time to go to Lagos, Nigeria, and it was an incredible event. If you took some photos with me, feel free to tag me when you post them on social media. I will share them as well. I'll retweet or share in my stories if it's on Instagram or Facebook as well. So you guys are the greatest. Obviously, I killed it with my outfit. I had the best outfit than anybody in the room, of course. So I'm pretty proud of that one. I haven't even shared all the photos on social media. Some of you guys don't even know that, right? Okay, so again, reminder: if you want to get my our signals, the signals that I use to trade, you can go to cryptouniversity.network, check them out, and you can get 50% discount if you use WSOT as a discount code. All the signals that you find at Crypto University, if you use that code, you get 50% discount. And this is for the limited time only while the WSOT is going on Bybit. Of course, link to Bybit is down in the description. There is a trading competition right now going on, which you can join. And I'm supporting you guys with some signals. A lot of people ask, what about signals? So let me just type in some text to show you the discount code. Okay, it's WSOT. The WSOT. All right. Use this discount code when you're trying to buy signals at Crypto University. You get 50% discount. Don't say that I didn't tell you, and don't DM me in 2 days after and say, oh man, the Natros Bull is very expensive. What can I do? It's like, I'm giving you guys a discount right now. If you don't take advantage of it, it's your problem. And remember to destroy that like button right now. So who was the first person to comment? Payaso, you have won access to the Natros Bull in this live stream. So shout out and congratulations for being the first one to join the stream and dropping your comments. Really appreciate you. And I see Mr. Premium Sport from Italy is watching. Sebastian is watching. Payaso is watching. UK, France, Nigeria. Man, we have the world. We have the world in one live stream as it should be. Really appreciate everybody for joining and having fun with me on this live stream. Okay. Another winner. I will pick a winner, actually. I might as well just do it from Twitter. If you want to win after this live stream, I'm going to make a post on Twitter. And I will tell you guys, we need to use something special that not many people will understand, right? Only the people who are watching the stream will win this one. So when you go to Twitter, I'm going to make a tweet, and all you need to do is to comment on that tweet, mention Crypto University's Twitter account, and your Bitcoin prediction by the end of the year. That's all you need to do, right? Or yeah, just do that, and then I will use the generator to select a random winner who have those keywords in the chat. The winner will get $50. And this is going to be over in 2 hours. I'll run this competition giveaway in 2 hours, so make sure you check it out. Again, do not say that I didn't tell you. So to all my friends and family here in Nigeria, what is it that I should do that I haven't done yet here? I hear so many stories and people warning me about where to go and where not to go. Can you tell me what else I should do and experience before I leave? And by the way, the likes are not enough, guys. Destroy the like button. Destroy the like button right now so that YouTube can know that we are the most committed crypto channel in the world, and they should not stop us. Creative Unicorns, thank you so much. This is definitely the most valuable crypto channel in the world. Very, very undervalued, but I can see that a lot of people now are learning more about crypto. In fact, today in Nigeria, I met a guy who started with crypto just 2 years ago with zero money. His first money, he made it off airdrops. He made money from airdrops, And as I speak, he took me to his house that he's building. He has built a block of apartments, 6 apartments in Lagos, from money he made from crypto, starting with zero money airdrops. He got into some airdrops and then made it into the Uniswap airdrop as well, and then started trading from there and on and on and on. And now he's actually doing well for himself. So it's incredible, encouraging stories that I'm seeing out in the world, and so many people doing well, even though right now the news about crypto is all negative. Just make sure that source of income. You're telling me to come to Lagos, bro. I'm in Lagos right now. Meet me outside. Come outside. Catch me outside, man. Yo, you guys on Instagram, go to the link in bio. It will take me to my YouTube. Come over to YouTube and watch from here. A lot of goodies and giveaways. I just gave away a powerful signal to the first person to comment, and I also just told you guys about the another $50 that I will give on Twitter if you do the right thing. I told you what to do already. I guess I'm in Dubai. No, I'm in Lagos, and after Lagos, I'm going to London. So I'm following all the cities that starts with L in the world. After that, on to the next one. Jeff says, Dangote still a fine man. Oh, I love it. I love it. Now that I've been to Nigeria, man, that song means so much more to me. It's like it hits different, because you feel the energy, and when you watch the music video, I can start to understand why it's like that. Source of income says send location. Okay, it definitely means you're not following me on Instagram, because I share pretty much all my daily activities there. If you were on Instagram, yo guys, let's get the likes to 100 right now before we close. Let's do it. I know we can do it. Destroy the like button. Destroy the like button. Destroy the like button. Yeah. Okay, that's if we're gonna end the stream if we hit 100. Let me rest, guys. I haven't slept since a few days ago, so this is an incredible time to round off and go to bed and eat. Create Crypto University in Nigeria. Here we know carry last. Absolutely. Look, Nigeria is, if you're a business person in the world, it doesn't matter where you are. Ignore Nigeria at your own risk, because these guys here, man, they're really coming for it. It's one of the most different places that I've ever seen, where people are really focused on making money, and they pay for things that are valuable, right? Like yesterday, the event organizers organized a meet and greet. So there was a conference that people had to pay to get there, and then there was a meet and greet that happened yesterday for networking with all the speakers, the influencers, the investors, everybody. And people had to pay $300 to attend that dinner. And there were so many people who attended just to come and meet us, right? In other cities, I know so many people would be like, oh, but that is so expensive, man. Oh, man, $300 just for a dinner. The same people would go spend the same money at some club and on alcohol. In Nigeria, man, people get it. Like, yo, if you want to make money and grow, you need to network, right? Meet people that are very useful, and there is no such thing as free networking. If you go to a free networking event, you meet people who are also like maybe not that valuable. So I learned a lot just by being here and what people value. It's real. Patso says, out of your indicators, which one would you advise for starter? I think the Natros Bull it's something that we have been using for a long time. A lot of you guys know about it already. So you can simply simplify your life by just getting the Natros Bull. But I'm working on creating a bundle for all the signals. So instead of you having to choose which indicator to buy, you just have to get the package and then you get all of them. Right? In the next live stream, I will be announcing all that. So make sure you check it out. If you're still wondering, how do I do that? How do I get involved into the signals? How do they work? go to cryptouniversity.network, cryptouniversity.network. To the website, you'll be able to get everything. All my courses about trading, all the courses about NFTs and signals as well, right? So if you go to indicators, you can see we have EMA trading, we got Natros Bull, we got trend momentum strategy, and visual assistance. If you just click on on indicators, you can see we have multiple indicators, and all of them are lifetime access, by the way, right? All of them are lifetime access. It means that you only pay once. So if you're not taking advantage of these, it's definitely your problemo, right? All right, guys, destroy the like button. Let's get it 100. Let's get it 100. I know we can do this. 5 to go. Destroy the like button. Is there a specific time that you would tweet? Yes, I'll tweet immediately after this live stream. So once the live stream is over, I'm going to Twitter and I'll make the tweet. Link to everything that I've talked about in this video are all the links are in the description of this video, of course. All right. Payaso says, which one am I getting? You can choose. It's up to you. Francis says, I've scattered the like button. By the way, the like button on YouTube now is beautiful. When you click it, it doesn't only show just the blue. It actually explodes if you're on mobile. I don't know if you have seen that. It's like it has all these beautiful things. Omo Naija, click like. Oh. Yo, I thought that I understood Pidgin, but when I got here, I understood now that there are levels to it, man. It's like people would speak now, I wouldn't even know what they're talking about. Oh, good job. 1 like to go. Destroy the heck out of the like button so that we can close. How much does the course cost? You just have to go to the website and check it out. But what I recommend is that you get the, if you go to Crypto University's website, I recommend you go to courses. If you go, there's so many of them, but I do recommend you go to the all-in-one masterclass. The all-in-one masterclass has everything in it, and you can use Gray BTC as a discount code. It gives you discount. This teaches you NFTs, trading, investing, and the basics as well. So this is what I would recommend ideally. But if you just want to focus on one thing, you can just simply get, like if you just want to trade, the trading mastery is okay. It's great for that. If you want just to invest, the investing mastery is all right. If you just want to learn the basics first, the basics one is also okay, just for that. But if you, and NFTs only, right? But it's expensive to buy one at a time. It makes sense for you to just buy this one, to just get the whole package. All right. So we hit our target like we do on crypto on the likes, which is great. Proud of you. And we hit our take profits as well on the trade that we made last week on the last live stream. So let me show you. If you remember, if you are in my private group, or my students are in the private group on Telegram or Discord, right? I put out a trade last week, which I can show you right now. And it was a GMT trade. This one right here. Do you remember? I posted this chart in the group and I said, okay, there is 2 possible scenarios for GMT. And there was something specific that I said. I put out a stop loss and a take profit, right? And I showed you guys where you should potentially enter when basically it was a breakout strategy. All right. So you can see here that the pump actually failed. Like I predicted that there's a good potential of a short downside to the GMT. So I created this a few days ago. As you can see, it was right here. And now we're in massive profit. If I expand this, if you took the short, If you took the short, it means that you're pretty much at this level of profit. Okay, currently you're at minus 6.53% profit, which if you leverage on Bybit at 3 or 5x, you pretty much have made some good money already. Right now, I would take profit on that and maybe even close the trade, even though this is only TP1. But the thing is, the crypto market looks different during the week. So right now, I like to long at the beginning of the week because we usually see a little pump, and then I would go for a short over the weekend. Just like you can also see what happened here with these few candlesticks right here. And I will be sharing more trades in the groups, so make sure you are paying attention to make sure that you're not missing out on the deals. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the moon. And remember, I'm going to do the giving thing on Twitter right now. So see you on Twitter. And actually, before I forget, here's the cool thing that you guys don't know. Let me show you something cool. Something that you're missing out on, okay? Something you're missing out on is this. You're missing out, guys, on Survival Skills Podcast. This is my podcast channel, which you guys should go and subscribe to it. I just put out a new episode here. The title is Love Real? So if you want to watch and hear my thoughts on that and some of the guests that I had on that show, make sure you check it out. The name is Survival Skills Podcast. If we get this podcast to 10,000 subscribers, I will give away a holiday ticket to Dubai and back. So I'll give you a return ticket I'll give to one winner a ticket to Dubai and back. So if you want to be part of this competition, make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep following, keep watching, and keep sharing the updates, okay? And then we can meet in Dubai with one lucky winner. Otherwise, shout out to you guys. It's time to go. Peace out. Love you and peace.